Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you could activate the Firefox login if you haven't done so or not aware of this feature, so this might help you. Okay, pretty darn simple. Um, let me let me go to my terminal. Let me show you with something which I have personally uh, in my dot profile, which you could have also have the same thing. So here is this line. You can see this 4 line where my cursor is on. It's simply having some internal Firefox flags which are set. Okay, and it is for Firefox log and Firefox. You can set the file. I have set a file to a specific directory under the file system and padded with the name. Okay, to give you some sort of um, demonstration, let me show you. And if I write because this file doesn't exist, so let me create it. So if I do touch and then I put the file name, so basically it does create a file name. Okay, so where things get logged, this file. Okay, now I'm heading over to the file, my browser, and if I go about dot logging, it says the logging has not been started. You have to click on this button written uh, start logging, and these are the modules which has been activated by which will be activated by default. If you want to add more like this, which I have several other modules too. Okay, so if you want to activate like this, so you can add your own. Okay, so and there are various categories. You might not see the pop-up properly because the CSS is a little bit malfunctioning. That's why my pop-ups are a little bit transparent, and to fix that, so basically it will enlist you different option: WebArt, ECG, graphics, custom, and whatever. If you want to make some custom changes, you can turn it to a custom. Okay, now it says it can be locked to a Firefox profile, so you can see it inside the Firefox folder or directory, or you can direct the output to a particular file. Here it is in temp, says log.txt. If I change it to this, what the, and if I change it to, because I know the path, and this is the stuff I have just created. Okay, set log file. You see the current file get changed to the file I have provided from temp/temps/log.txt, which was the default. Now I've changed it to the specific file what I have created in this specific folder, Firefox log. Okay, So all I have to do, just see it's currently enabled by enable log modules are this. If you want to add more modules, you can add it here with comma separated list. Okay, so this is how you need to start uh, Firefox logging. For mind you, if you turn on the logging, it will certainly slow down the browser. uh, if if you are not sitting on a beefy machine, it will certainly slow down the browser, and sometimes it get noticeable because it is going to write it on the underlying medium very frequently and very often. So it will have an impact turning on the logging. I suggest you to turn on the log when you absolutely require it or wanted to find out something very specific about it. Here are different cookies, right? And you must not be seeing HTTP3 and upload speed and all this media playback. I read it out for you because, as I said, my pop-up is malfunctioning due to some CSS error, which I haven't fixed it. I need to. So the point here is you turn on the Firefox logging when you absolutely require it and look for something specific. Okay, so in a sense, it will help you to pinpoint or find out something which you are trying to find out about the browser. These various login modules provide you different kind of context and results. If I go back to my and if I try to tailing, um, so it is not yet started, or does it? I'm probably looking at the wrong file. See, this is started to logging because it creates a file. Okay, so if you didn't create the file yourself, what I shown to you in the very beginning, it will create a file for yourself, and it will pad it up with this particular uh, extension. See, and this is coming out of the browser, how it is working inside. So if you want to really find out something about what is going on inside while running Firefox, this might come in handy to figure out what is actually going on. I'm giving you a heads up again. This might considerably slow down your browser if you are not sitting on a beefy machine. Okay, so turn it on when you absolutely require it. Okay, do not turn it on when you don't need it. So this is a cool way of getting the insight of the Firefox logging. You can read through here. They have a clear cut explanation of where you should set something and activate it. Okay, this is pretty darn simple. They have clearly written what you are supposed to do and what things you need to set. Okay, this is purely for the curious mind and have a purpose to set it up. Without having any purpose, don't set it up and don't activate it. Okay, I've said the reason twice before. I hope you heard it. Okay, but this is a damn good thing if you really wanted to find out something. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are curious enough to know about it. Thanks for watching.